Another set of apps I like is one that is rather quiz based, and I mean this one is a thing called US Quiz, Map Quiz, and this is particularly centered around the states of the United States. So if you were to say, for example, go and learn, and you wanted to learn the locations of states, you could practice them. And it does other geographical places as well on set other apps, so you can do world locations. But let's just do an example here. It's multi-choice, so it makes it a bit easier. So that one there would be Oregon. God, that one is Nebraska. That one would be Missouri, New Mexico, New Hampshire, North Carolina. That one is Ohio, and Massachusetts. It's like from that song, you know, you spend an awful lot of time in Massachusetts. That's by Reba McEntire. Anyway, this one is Arkansas. Not Arkansas, as it looks like. It's Arkansas. A very weird pronunciation for its spelling. Alaska. Everyone knows Alaska, where Sarah Palin is from. Alaska. Here we have Washington. Now, people normally don't realise that Washington is in of itself a whole state, not just a district on the East Coast. That one would be Minnesota. Here we have ourselves Colorado. That little tiny one there is Delaware. South Dakota, North Dakota is right above it. Here we have, again, is that South Carolina? Now what we have is Oklahoma. Now, by the way, New York isn't just a city. There's also a state in which New York City resides. Oh my God, which one? Illinois. Oh, sugar. No, it's Indiana. Got it wrong. Okay, so Mississippi, Kansas. We're not in Kansas anymore. Idaho, Maryland, and North Dakota. We got is that Nevada? Montana. Click on Montana. Now Lake Michigan is right where that is. So it's Michigan. This one is Georgia. New Jersey. That there would be Louisiana. It looks like an L, so you can always remember that one. This one is South Carolina. Here we have, I got this one wrong before, so it must be Indiana. This is Virginia. Utah. This one here is Connecticut. Now, we all know where Hawaii is. It wouldn't really be in the middle of Mexico. Hawaii is in the middle of the Pacific. Here we have Arizona. This one's Pennsylvania. Now, we all know California because Los Angeles and San Francisco are there. This is West Virginia. Illinois. There we go, that's Illinois. Okay, this one would be Alabama. Tennessee. Tennessee is very kind of flat, pancakey. Wisconsin. Oh, God, is it Wisconsin? No, I think that one's... Is it Wyoming or Wisconsin? It's Wyoming. Okay, there we have Florida. That one would be Nebraska. We have Indiana again, coming back to us. And by the way, I'll normally repeat ones you get wrong. Massachusetts. Here we have Ohio. Iowa. Maine. Maine is right in the New England sector. Missouri. North Carolina. New Hampshire. Here we have Minnesota, Oregon, South Dakota, Kentucky. Now, we all know where Dolly Parton was from. I think she was from Tennessee, actually. Now, that really small one, it's actually, I have to zoom in, is Rhode Island. Here we have New Mexico, Wisconsin, that's where Wisconsin is. Idaho, there's Idaho. Now, there's the one we're waiting for, Texas. Alaska. So I've basically been through them all now, so that was a good illustration of it. I do hope you enjoy. That's Maryland. Vermont. Oh no, we haven't had Vermont yet. Louisiana, as I said, Louisiana looks like an L, so we know that's Louisiana. So that was one illustration of one of the quiz games I've got.